everyone, welcome back to SauceBeast Pro. Today we're going to show you exactly how to collaborate on Capcut and make teamwork on your project super easy and seamless. Step 1. Open Capcut on your device and launch the project you want to collaborate on. This is the first crucial step because you need the project ready before sharing it with others. Step 2. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This button allows you to start the collaboration process by generating a link for your project. Step 3. Choose Create Link. This option will prepare a unique link that others can use to access your project. Step 4. Enter a project name. Naming your project helps your collaborators know exactly which project they are working on. Step 5. Select a space to upload the project to or create a new space if needed. Spaces are like folders that keep all your collaborative projects organized. Step 6. Click Create Link to upload the project. This step officially prepares your project for sharing and collaboration. Step 7. Wait while it creates the link. Depending on your project size, this may take a few moments, so be patient. Step 8. Choose who can edit the project. You can give full editing access or just viewing permission depending on your collaboration needs. Step 9. Copy the collaboration link. This link is what you'll send to your team so they can join and edit the project. Step 10. Share the link via chat, email, or messenger. Now your team can start collaborating on the project instantly from their own devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to SauceBeast Pro for more tips and tutorials.